Happy Halloween! Today I'm making no-bake Halloween pumpkin cheesecake balls. These spectacular treats are fun to make and they're delicious for Halloween parties, get-togethers, or just to have any time. So, who could that be? Hey, it's my neighbor Frankie. Hey Frankie! Oh, here you go. You want to stay and help me make these pumpkin cheesecake balls?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 6 ounces of cream cheese softened and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now beat this together until it's light and fluffy. Then add a half a cup of pure pumpkin, 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now mix this together until it's fully combined. Now cover this with plastic wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Now line a baking sheet with parchment paper and then set it aside. Once your dough is chilled, remove it from the refrigerator. Using a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop, scoop and roll the dough into balls and then place them onto your prepared baking sheet. Now place the rolled balls into the freezer for about 30 minutes. In a microwave-safe cup or bowl, add 12 ounces of white almond bark. Now melt this in the microwave in 20 to 30 second intervals, stirring each time until it's melted. Using forks, dip each ball into the melted almond bark and then place them onto your prepared baking sheet. If you like, you can decorate them with sprinkles. Now repeat until you've dipped all of the balls. Then place them into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes to set up. And here they are, no-bake Halloween pumpkin cheesecake balls. And be sure to store these covered in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Hey Frankie, you want to taste one of these pumpkin cheesecake balls? You want to taste one? Hey, what are you doing? Oh no, you don't. Happy Halloween. What am I doing with my hands? Hey Frankie. You broke your basket. You broke his basket. I don't think that basket's gonna hold. No-bake pumpkin Halloween. Oh no! Feels like my hat's coming off. No-bake Halloween pumpkin cheesecake balls. Hey Frankie! Trick or treat. You gotta say trick or treat. Oh, you broke it again! Oh, Frankie! Frankie! What are you doing to break your little basket? Frankie's got new dancers. I can't get that fixed, Frankie. Oh my gosh. You got blood. I'm gonna just bend this up. Oh! I broke it. I broke it. I taped his bucket. Okay. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. You gotta say trick or treat. Okay, do it again. do it again. No-bake Halloween pumpkin cheesecake balls. Oh my God. Oh, that scared me. Is my hat flat? What happened to my hat? My hat went flat. Has that been flat though? Has that been flat the whole time? Oh, no. A hat went flat? Oh, oh no. Frankie. Dip each ball into the melted, yeah. Oh, you're not. Frankie, what are you doing, Frankie? Where are you, Frankie? With parchment paper. Vase. 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 Can't you say vase? Vase. Now repeat until you have dipped all of the balls. Frankie, no! Oh my gosh, did you see? Frankie, no! Okay, ooh, ooh, I'm about dropping everything. Okay. Then remove your chilled frozen, remove your chilled, what am I saying? Okay, I'm gonna have it, I'm gonna say, hey Frankie, you wanna taste one of these? And you take it, but you've got this in your other hand. No, no, you'll just drop it. You wanna try one of these pumpkin cheese balls? Cheesecake balls. Okay. And here they, wait a minute. Wait a minute, I can't laugh.